In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Grok AI in Windows 11 PC or laptop 2026. By the end, you'll have Grok AI installed from the official Microsoft Store and ready to open on your Windows 11 device. First, make sure you're on a Windows 11 PC or laptop with a stable internet connection and a little free disk space. Close any heavy downloads to keep things quick and smooth. Now, head to the official Microsoft Store listing for Grok AI. You can use the direct link in your browser or open the Microsoft Store app from your Start menu and search for Grok AI. Look for the verified listing that clearly shows it's the correct app. This helps you avoid unofficial downloads and ensures you get automatic updates and security patches. On the app page, click the Install button. In some cases, it may say, Get first, then install. If you're prompted to sign into the Microsoft Store, sign in with your regular Microsoft account to start the download. Windows will begin fetching the files in the background. If a user account control prompt appears asking to allow changes, choose yes so the installer can proceed. Once the download finishes, the installer will launch. Follow the on-screen prompts. Most people can accept the defaults and continue. Avoid changing advanced options unless you know you need a custom path or settings. The process usually takes just a minute or two, depending on your connection and device speed. When setup completes, you'll see an option to open the app right from the store, or you can launch it from your Start menu. The first time you open Grok AI, give it a moment to initialize. If the app requests basic permissions, such as network access, allow them so it can function correctly. If an update is offered right away, let it apply to ensure you're on the latest version. A couple of quick tips to finish up. Right-click the app icon on your taskbar and choose Pin to Taskbar for easy access later. To keep Grok AI up to date, open the Microsoft Store, go to Library, and click Get Updates. If install is ever grayed out or stuck, make sure Windows is up to date, restart your PC, then try again from the store. That's it. You've gone to the official Microsoft Store page, clicked Install, and run the installer to complete setup.